we just now felt this entire mountain shiver because there are blasts going on. As we were telling you, usually for the limestone mining, the acceptable range of the blast is around 1 meter, and that won't be so harsh that we could feel this entire mountain feel shake. Yes, definitely. And the kind of, because for cement mining they need a blast of a larger range of something around 50 meters or 60 meters, and when that happens, we were not able to show you, but because that is very frequent between 2 to 3 p.m. we'll try to get that on camera for you guys. But while I was speaking to you, I could feel this mountain shake. So that is the range, and all of this is illegal, Shivam. All of this, the range of those blasts which is used in those mining, the kind of trucks that you see on the other end which are carrying those residual pebbles, those are also not, they are not legally allowed to sell those, but they're not only doing illegal work, they're also making double profit out of whatever is left here. They're making profit illegally out of the Aravalli Hills, the lungs of the Delhi NCR, the home for several hundreds of people, wildlife, and so much more. As we know that recently the Supreme Court has accepted the new definition of the Aravalli range, where any mountain which is under the height of 100 meters will not be considered as a part of Aravalli range. Now, what will be the repercussions of it? Any mountain which is not considered a part of Aravalli range will be open to construction, will be open to mining, and this Aravalli range, which is more than 2.5 billion years old, also the lungs of the Delhi NCR, protects Delhi NCR from heat wave, from dust, and from letting the situation get even worse, which already is in Delhi NCR with the pollution. We are showing you something which spans far before this entire decision, which is of a time when this decision was nowhere to be seen, which was not expected. But clearly this was expected by the authorities, because we are showing you the ranges. Let us make you understand. Now, as you see on the other end, that is a mountain in another village, and according to the locals here, this mountain that where you can see me standing was also of the same height, but it was actually chopped down, it was actually cut and brought to this height, so that later such decision would be accepted by the court. These would be open for mining and construction as well. Now, as per the villagers, the company here has a lease for a different kind of construction material, which is chuna patti in Hindi, and these are the ranges which are usually used for it. These are the ranges which are normally used for the mining of chuna patti, which is a kind of construction material. But these companies with the lease of chuna patti are actually using this location for mining of cement. That grey material that you see all around, that is actually cement. The blue water, they have dug so deep beyond the permissible limit which they are allowed to dig, that they have reached the underwater level, and that blue, that animated blue color that you see of the water, that is because of the explosion, that is because of the chemicals that they use for blasting the site. Also, as per law, when you are mining in a chuna patti region where you are using blast method, that blast could only range from 1 meter to 2 meter, but allegedly these companies use a blast method where that blast ranges across 50 meter, and on a lease of the chuna patti construction material, they're actually mining cement. Those grey material, again, that is cement. Apart from that, if you are actually using a site as per law for the mining of cement or mining of one particular construction material like chuna patti, the other, on the off end, you can see the rock pieces. You cannot sell those as per law, but these companies are allegedly selling those rock pieces to crushers, and the crushers are making those small pebbles which is usually used in the construction of buildings, which is called gitti. That is another kind of a construction material. They are selling these to crushers in which they are making another material. So basically what they are doing is they have a lease of some construction material, but they are mining something else, and then they are even making money off the residue which they are not even allowed to sell legally.